Hi there, Lee Farnell here, and thanks for listening to Leading Your Best Life. Now, today I'm going to talk to you about a Buddhist quote I saw which just stopped me in my tracks around how we talk to ourselves, how we shape our reality with our words. The power of the tongue. The power of the tongue is real. Stay tuned and let's find out what that means and how it can really help you and the people around you. Well, this quote really hit me from the Facebook page, Buddhism page, Facebook, and I follow it and it's so good. But let me just make this quote. I don't know where it came from other than it's on this page. The power of the tongue is real. Stop saying I'm tired, I'm broke, I'm depressed. Start saying I'm grateful, I'm growing, I'm thriving. Speak life into yourself. Your words shape your reality. My God, how powerful is that? Stop saying I'm tired, I'm broke, I'm depressed. Start saying I'm grateful, I'm growing, I'm thriving. Speak life into yourself. Your words shape your reality. This hit me because I know at times I can drift into I'm tired, I'm broke, I'm depressed, I'm sad or whatever, going to dark places. So I said, okay, what would be some action points that we could take from this that we can use? Well, one action point, this is from this Buddhist inspired quote. 1, practice, and I love this word, practice conscious language. Conscious language versus unconscious language. In other words, language I'm aware of, language that's going to empower me and shape me. So the action is this: pay close attention to the words you use when talking to yourself and others. Pay close attention to the words you use when talking to yourself and others. Replace negative self-talk like I'm tired, I'm depressed, I don't have enough money, people don't love me, whatever, with more empowering alternatives such as I'm recharging or I'm working through these challenges. I'm recharging or I'm working through these challenges. Practice conscious language. Point 2, speak gratitude daily. Speak gratitude daily. Begin and end each day by saying out loud at least 3 things you're grateful for. At least 3 things you're grateful for. This simple ritual rewires the brain for positivity and appreciation. You know, I'm grateful for my health. I'm grateful for my friends. I'm grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for my husband. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my grandkids. I'm grateful for my club. I'm grateful for that great shot I hit down the middle in golf the other day. I'm grateful for that goal I scored in water polo. I'm grateful for that great pass my mate gave me. I'm grateful for that pat on the back. I'm grateful for that hug. What are some of the things? I'm grateful for the money I have in the bank. I'm grateful for my customers. I'm grateful for that breath that just went through my nostrils. It's just so beautiful. So practice conscious language. Speak gratitude daily. Point 3, affirm positive identity. Affirm positive identity. Use daily affirmations that align with your goals and well-being. I am thriving. I am strong. I am full of purpose. I am thriving. I am strong. I am full of purpose. Speak them with belief and emotion to shape your mindset. Put emotion into it. I'm thriving. I am thriving. I am thriving. I am strong. I am strong. I am full of purpose. I am full of purpose. I am full of love. I am full of love. I am lovable. I am lovable. I am healthy. I am healthy. I am thriving. I am thriving. I am helpful. I am loving. By repeating it, the affirmation, just what that does to your state, what that does to the whole neurophysiology, what that does to your immune system. You know, just imagine what the negative discussion, the negative words have versus the positive. Again, Dr. Joe Dispenza and a whole range of others talk about the internal physiology, what it does to the internal proteins, what it does to the white blood cell count, what it does to your ability to fight off infection. So positive identity daily affirmations, what that does, not just to words, it's not just words, it actually is shaping your internal chemistry, your internal world, and your ability to live life. Speak them with belief and emotion to shape your mindset, shape your reality, shape the world around you. 4, interrupt negative thought loops. Interrupt negative thought loops. When you catch yourself speaking or thinking in a way that drains your energy, disempowers you, pause and reframe it immediately. For example, change, I can't do this, to I'm learning how to do it. I can't do this, to I can't do this yet. I'm learning how to do it. Not I'm hopeless, I'm no good at anything, this happens all the time, this is, things happen in threes, all that negative bullshit, and call it BS, belief systems bullshit, negative self-talk, ST, SHIT, I can't do this, to I'm learning how to do this. I'm learning how to do this. I'm going to learn how to do this step by step. I'm learning how to do. I'm getting better and better. And that goal that attempted goal, that I missed that was shit house, that attack. No, I'm going to get better. I am getting better. I'm learning how to do it. Thank you very much. Kaizen, continuous and never-ending improvement. So interrupt and reframe negative thought loops. And 5, influence others with uplifting words. Influence others with uplifting words. Influence the world around you with uplifting words. Make it a habit to uplift others with your speech. Positive words not only shape your own reality, they ripple out and influence the energy of those around you. And this is exactly what we're doing with our That's a T-shirt company. We're calling it the most empowering apparel on the planet, because your apparel and the words you wear will not only shape your internal world, but shape the world around you. Stay tuned for more about that. And if you want to help and be involved in our That's a T-shirt business, then get involved, because we're getting sponsorship, we're getting people involved, so that you, through the words you wear and the words you use with others, uplift others. You become the wings, the wind beneath their wings. Positive words not only shape your own reality, they ripple out and influence the energy of those around you. So I just love that quote. The power of the tongue is real. Stop saying I'm tired, I'm broke, I'm depressed. Start saying I'm grateful, I'm growing, I'm thriving. Speak life into yourself. Speak life into yourself. Not only speaking life into yourself, you then speak life into others. Your words shape your reality. Your words can also shape others' reality to make a difference, make a positive difference, make positive ripples. So I hope this has helped you. It certainly helped me. A great quote in terms of these 5 action points: practicing conscious language, speak gratitude daily, affirm positive identity, interrupt negative thought loops, and influence others with uplifting words. I want to find out more about how we can coach you to lead your best life and coach the people around you, coach your team in business, be the wind beneath their wings, the words that we can share with our CZ6 sales and business growth system, with the words we can use in terms of our mental health and mental well-being and our lifestyle life graph material. You want help? Want coaching? Then Lee Farnell Best Business and Performance Development Consultants. We are your first point of call. Use our 40 years, 400 clients, knowing that what we've done in the past is help people generate anywhere between a 300% return and a 900% return. For every dollar you invest with us, you'll get between 3 and 9 back, or even more. Touch base. Thanks for listening. I'm Lee Farnell. I'll see you next time.